Have a great day too, guys. Look here, this is a real account. Okay, there is server real account with $34 deposit. If you wish to grow your account, this is a simple strategy. Okay, just go with this strategy. Okay, guys, and make the profitable trades using this strategy. You just scalp the market, okay, and grow step by step using this strategy to advanced level and start growing your account. We started with $34. And look here, we just closed the trade with $4.74, which is showing here. Look here, the recorded button is showing we just closed a $4 trade, and we grew this account from where? From 34 to 43 with few minutes with this powerful strategy. Okay, look here, it's working really awesome. This is a powerful strategy, guys. You just need to be disciplined, okay, if you wish to make profit from this strategy. Here is him going front of you. We deposit this account for testing this strategy, okay. Don't take high risk. You take high risk on your behalf, on your account. Okay, guys, so this is the powerful strategy front of you guys. Is making profit for us continuously, and we are earning. We are growing accounts using this strategy. So this is the profit strategy. We made 34 to 45. So if someone interested, inbox for more details of this strategy. Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.